There's some bad news for students who had appeared for the JEE Main and Advanced exams in 2019. You will not be allowed to sit for the 2021 examinations. The National Testing Agency announced recently. So if you did not sit for the exam in 2020, then you won't be able to sit for it next year as well. The NTA earlier had mentioned that a candidate can attempt JEE Advanced a maximum of 2 times in consecutive years, irrespective of whether or not he or she has passed the qualifying examination, which is the JEE Main. The first attempt for the entrance will be conducted from February 23rd to 26th in 2021. Let's break down the eligibility criteria given by the NTA for the JEE Main 2021. The aspirants must appear for Bachelor's in Engineering or Bachelor in Technology of JEE Main 2021. Based on their performance in the entrance test, they will be allowed to appear for JEE Advanced in 2021. The candidates must have completed their Class 12 exams with science subjects scoring at least 75% marks. Candidates who have taken admission into any other institutions other than Indian Institute of Technology in 2020 are also eligible. However, there are a few exceptions for COVID-19 patients. Due to the pandemic, the Joint Admission Board has allowed those aspirants who had missed the JEE Advanced 2020 due to being infected to appear for the JEE Advanced 2021 without clearing JEE Main again. The seats occupied by such candidates will be considered in addition to and not part of the total number of seats. JEE Main 2021 will be held 4 times in February, March, April and May, and the aspirants are allowed to appear in all the 4 attempts. The best of the 4 attempts will be considered for the final merit list. The exam also will be conducted in 13 different Indian languages in 2021. Thank you for joining us. See you again tomorrow.